The auto body program is basically uncomparable to any other programs of anyone in the state, let alone the East Coast. No one else offers an AAS degree the way Morrisville does.
I chose SUNY Morrisville because it had an auto body program that I was interested in. And most other colleges didn't have that in my area.
Currently, we're doing paint work on a 97 Mustang Cobra. It was a perfect job to do some paint correction and blending into adjacent panels. We are using solvent-based paint through PPG to respray the hood, fender, and bumper cover of this Mustang Cobra, and we're going to do the blending process into adjacent panels such as the passenger front fender, the driver's front door. When you paint new panels and you put them on next to old paint, you can see a difference. So the blending technique is painting half the panel with color, clearing the whole panel, and tricking the eye into seeing new paint next to old paint.
Hardest part of painting is making sure that get it right the first time. Gotta have a good speed, good distance. You don't want to mess up because then you gotta do it all over again.
When the students leave here, they get the technical experience of non-structural repair, refinishing, structural repair, welding, and estimating. We also offer 3 certifications through ICAR: non-structural repair, welding structural repair, and refinishing.
You can go to a body shop and be like, oh, I have my certification for spraying, so I can be your spray tech. Or, oh, I passed the ICAR certification for welding, so I can weld your car. So these certifications give you a jump because most shops want certifications instead of someone that's coming in untrained, uncertified.
As a student here and earning the certifications I did, it helped me out in the field. But when I was presented with the opportunity to come back, it was a no-brainer to help my students achieve the same goals that I was able to achieve by coming through this program.
SUNY Morrisville Auto Body program is a great place to be, especially if you like being around cars and working on cars a lot. It's one of the things that SUNY Morrisville is really good at.